Hey guys, Zach here at Morimoto, and today we're going to be talking about the perfect way to flush mount your 4Banger Morimoto pod lights. You can mount these things to a bumper, your steel bumper, your roof rack, anywhere you've got a flush enough surface or a flat enough surface to mount these things. They're going to be available in a bunch of different options, so you've got the NCS variety, the HXB high performance models, available in flood, spot, combo, and wide beam patterns, and in white or yellow colors. They've got a die cast cut, powder coated bracket with stainless steel hardware, so you know they're going to stand up to the elements from anything you throw at them. And they're backed by a limited lifetime warranty, so you've got some coverage should any defects come along while you're using them. These flush mounts use the industry standard template for the hole, so if you've already got some pod lights in a flush mount system or you've got the space for them in your bumper pre-cut, these will drop right in, no problem at all. The install couldn't be easier, so follow me and we'll get them installed. Begin by mounting the flush mount faceplate onto the 4Banger pod. To do this, remove the 4 T10 Torx screws on the back of the pod. With the screws removed, remove the original faceplate and fit the flush mount faceplate in its place. Make sure to orient the flush mount plate right side up and that the lens and lens seal remain in place. Flip the pod back over onto its face and reinstall the 4 T10 Torx screws to secure the flush mount faceplate and tighten them down in a star pattern until hand tight. Hand tighten them until snug and do not over tighten. Secure your included flush mount template to your mounting surface. A printable copy of this template with all dimensions is also included on the product listing if ever needed. Using a center punch, mark the centers of each of the 4 mounting holes as well as the center of the radius of each of the 8 corners. Remove the template from your mounting surface, drill out the 8 inner center punch marks and the 4 outer center punch marks with a 1/4 inch drill bit. Using a small cutoff wheel, connect the dots by making a cut between the outer edges of the inner holes you drilled to cut out the hole for your 4Banger. Once you've made your cuts, file and sand down any rough edges. Test fit your 4Banger in the cutout you've made and confirm that the pod fits and that the mounting holes in the faceplate and mounting surface are all aligned. Do any additional trimming as needed. With the 4Banger held against your mounting surface, place one of your rear mounting brackets on the back of your mounting surface and align it with the 2 holes on the side of the 4Banger. The rear mounting brackets can be held in place with a 12mm wrench if needed. Hand thread 2 of your T25 flathead screws into the holes. Repeat this on the other side of the 4Banger. Once all 4 screws are threaded in, tighten them down in a pattern until hand tight. Repeat all these steps for the other 4Banger, and with your 4Bangers mounted, run your wiring and connect it to the pods. Head on over to morimotolighting.com to get your flush mount brackets today.